Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. It's right behind me. Why don't we start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. Nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side. You do have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors and camera. Taking a look at the bed. Spray-in bed liner, and your soft cover is up top. That's going to keep your bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats. You have 3 USB ports and a regular plug so you can charge any of your devices. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.